Hello everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have this amazing design from Mr. Matteo Dini MD watch faces, which is available on Google Play Store under the name of MD301. The watch face will be available soon for Tizen OS, so stay tuned for that. Also, I'm giving away a lot of Wear OS coupons for this watch face. All you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. I will be picking up lucky random users in a day or two. So good luck everyone. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design, it has this nice looking dark background, which also offers a ton of information. For example, on the right side we have this world map, which also highlights day and night according to time and region. Further step goal and battery percentage are highlighted here in center in a cool way. Also you can see that on the left side we have our distance traveled, step counter and dual time. So if you tap here on dual time, you can change to any country you want across the globe. At the bottom we have our month indicator. Digital time is also present here with day and date. So plenty of information is highlighted here in a nice way. If you want to customize this watch face, just long press on it and tap on customize. First of all, you can change map color to light or dark one. As you can see that color is now changing to lighter one and darker one. Then you can change the color of gold and battery percentage highlighted in the center. So you can see that color is changing. After that you can change color of date and time in background. Then we have different watch hands that you can customize according to your taste. Also color of rest of the information can be changed like this. So this is MD301 available on Google Play Store. Check it out on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Talking about watch face always on display mode, everything dims down, but still our watch hands are highlighted here. So that was about it for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.